guys here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, as you can see by the title, we are just going to be doing a natural makeup tutorial kind of, because if you know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, not for a while, even if you watch some old videos, you know I kind of have this too much gene when it comes to makeup, or when it comes to like eyeshadow and stuff. I just try, like, I just have to put on so much eyeshadow and stuff like that, and I don't know, I was just never a natural makeup type of girl because I'm different. I'm just kidding. No, but I was never really a natural makeup kind of girl, so I was like, let's just try to do a natural makeup today. Maybe like just some light foundation, no eyeshadow. That's gonna be the main like trick here. No eyeshadow, maybe some eyeliner, if maybe, I don't know, but you know, just like a natural little everyday, taking a walk through the mall. I mean, I'm not doing these things because quarantine, but if I were to do these things, this is like the natural makeup that I would do. I'm trying to find a new everyday makeup to do, because before, my everyday, not everyday because I didn't wear makeup every day, but when I would go places that weren't that extravagant and I wanted to do makeup, I would do like a bunch of eyeshadow and stuff like that, just because my foundation routine was never really that great. But after my TikTok video, which I will put in the eye, I learned a great trick for my foundation, so I'm hoping that it looks chef's kiss again today. So basically, all that to say, we're going to be trying to do a natural look, kind of an everyday type look or whatever. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so if it looks really white, it's because I already did my eyebrows and I already did the little priming thing. So if you didn't see my TikTok video, first of all, watch it. Second of all, so you moisturize and then you dust on a little bit of powder, and then you put on setting spray, and then you let that dry, and then you put on your primer, and it just like is so nice and smooth. So if it looks like a little bit white, it's because of the powder. So I haven't done this in actually a really long time, but I'm just gonna take some pot concealer and I'm just gonna conceal some extra spots. It looks light, but that I usually like some extra coverage. I need to try color correcting, like I need to get like a stick or something, because I have so many like little dark spots and stuff that I want to cover up so badly, and that like show through my foundation and stuff. But I'll do this sometimes, but sometimes I'll forget. I'm just gonna take some liquid highlighter, put it on my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, basically anywhere that I'll like usually put highlighter. I'm just gonna take this flat brush and just blend it out. And then I also mix this foundation with a little bit of darker concealer because it doesn't match 100%, so I'm gonna do that. Sometimes I cut stuff out of the video because I'm horrible with words and I don't want it to come across a certain way, if that makes sense, because I know what I mean and I know my intentions of stuff, but you never know how someone else will take what you're saying, you know what I mean? I am the worst with words, like literally I suck at talking. So if you ever notice, like in my videos, if I'll be like, oh yeah, so like I was saying before, or if I say like I said earlier, when I literally didn't say anything, I probably cut it out of the video because I said it too many times, because I'm often repeating myself like throughout my video that I don't even realize, or I like will say something and it sounds dumb the way I'm saying it, so I'll cut it out or something like that. It's just, I just don't be knowing. Like, I'm horrible at talking. It's the social anxiety. So I just be cutting some parts out. Also, I think it's funny that sometimes when I'm editing at the end of my videos, I'll like say, like my little, if you like this video, please, like I can literally say off the top of my, I mean obviously most people can, but when I start saying it, it's like something triggers in my mind. You know how like you can say stuff on like it's sometimes on when people are like, sometimes when I'm driving, I don't even realize that I'm driving and then you're at your destination. That's how it be when I be saying, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. And then I stop and I'm like, because then I don't know what to say next. That's kind of how it was when I would work places. I would get such anxiety because I have social anxiety. If you guys didn't know, I have social anxiety. You guys can watch. I have a whole video on it. I kind of want to do an updated video like that, like just rewatch it and see what different things I want to re-explain or whatever, because sometimes when you first do a video, and that was kind of early in my YouTube video career, so sometimes you say things, no, it's a good video I think, but now I don't know, I just want to rewatch it. But yeah, I have social anxiety if you didn't know. So sometimes at jobs and stuff, I would think that they would say one thing or have in my head what I'm gonna say, and then if they say something else or it doesn't go as planned in my head, I mean this isn't the only thing that informs me that I have social anxiety, it's just like one of the things, if that makes sense. Then when I would have like a panic attack or whatever, but or like be freaking out. Did you guys like my new series? My last video, it's called Late to the Party. I'm really excited for that series. I'm going to be trying out older trends and stuff, and I already have like a few written down. The first video was the glossy eye trend, and I realized that I am now a glossy eye girl. Like, we love her. That's what I really like about these series on my channel, like either the turning myself into, like I think I have a turning myself into series where it's like, I know turning myself into like a drag queen, turning myself into an alt girl, turning myself into an e-girl. Like you can just try out different styles, see what your style is, see what kind of makeup you like and stuff. So that's how I really like doing this type of series and stuff. So yeah, and I really like, I literally just came up with that idea. I mean, someone could have probably had that idea, I'm sure. Nothing ever is really unique on YouTube, which is fine, but I'm sure someone had that idea before. But in my head, it's like something that I thought of instead of just finding. So like my Recreate My series, I mean, in the beginning I would like recreate like Doja Cat, like how I had that Doja Cat recreating video. So I would always like recreate like celebrity makeup looks and stuff like that, but the idea of a series of it came from Armand, who I also love. So but like that's kind of stemmed from someone else's idea, you know, if that makes sense, which is also fine. But when I have like random ideas that pop into my head, I think it's really cool because like I never really get ideas. So I don't know, I just think that's cool. But yeah, I also have this other idea. It's just for a video, I think, but I'm trying to think if I want to do it how I would do my makeup in blah blah blah, or if I just want to do a video that's inspired by this thing, because I don't know, I just have this makeup idea that I want to do. I miss being creative and making like headpieces and stuff like I did for Halloween. Another plug, if you haven't seen my tutorial series, this is not Halloween series. Yes, it's not Halloween season, but I was really obsessed with those videos, and I'm really proud of the way that those videos came out. But I miss making stuff, so this one look that I want to do, I want to make like a headpiece for it. Okay, I'll give you guys 2 hints, and you guys should comment down below what movie you think that this is. Guys, it came out in 2019, and also the genre is horror drama. So, and I'm reading this off of Google, so guess down below what movie you think it is. I mean, this is just for fun, but comment down below and guess what movie that you think that I'm gonna do, and then yeah, I think that'll be fun. But I'm really excited. I love this movie. Also, here's another hint. I love this movie, but it's one of those movies that you can only watch once because it's so... Okay, I'm giving too much away. See, like, I don't even know if that just made sense. Sometimes I just be talking and I be feeling like it don't be making sense. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so I went off camera and I did a wing. This is what it looks like. And then I also just took this little palette that I have that I usually use for a mirror. I think it's from Victoria's Secret or something. I took some of this and I just put on my eyelids just because they were looking a little like white. So I wanted to like make them blend a little bit more with my face. And I took a little bit of that dark color right there and put it a little bit under my lash line. I honestly don't know why. I think it gives my eyes a nice shape. I also put on Ardell Wispies because they're like natural but they're also like pretty. And I really like, oh, I put on bottom mascara. I really like the way this looks. So now we're gonna just finish it off with my staple ombre lip. So I'm gonna take the NYX liquid suede lipstick. Now when that is dry, I just take some concealer, put it in the middle. Okay, so this is my natural everyday makeup. So yeah, this is not the way I'm going to be doing my makeup in 2023 when we can finally go outside. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just very, like, the base looks good, and I just did like a wing, kind of dramatic wing. I couldn't help myself with the bottom, but like no eyeshadow, but still looks very like cute. Like you can even wear this on a night out, especially if you have like a very dramatic outfit. You know me, I'd be rocking t-shirts. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I hope you guys watch another video, or yeah, see, this is what I was talking about earlier in the video. After I say give it a thumbs up and subscribe, turn on my post notifications, blah blah blah, I get stuck of what to say. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.